I'm afraid he's gonna poke it more.
Yeah, you're fine.
Oh!
Whoa! You got a frog. Go pet him.
Connor, come on, let's do it.
Uh-oh. Headbutt. You're all right.
What are you eating, Ben?
Is that fishy?
You feed the fishy?
Feed him. Feed him. No, no, no. Oh, no, no.
Ready, set, mark, set, go! I think we should...
Oh my.
Say hi, kitty, kitty.
Jack, look behind you.
The giraffe. Oh my god.
Are you filming that? Oh, you want to feed him?
My name is Mr. Ed.
Bubby.
Kayla loves bugs.
That's so cute. Look at her.
Alright, big smile.
Here we go, Ariel.
Here we go, baby.
There he is.
You like that one?
What do they say?
I know. She's got an older sister. Knock her down harder than that.
Happy birthday to Chicky! Happy birthday to Chicky! Happy birthday to Chicky! Happy birthday to Chicky!
Oh wow, Fishy appreciated that. How you liking that, Blossom?
Chicky!
So give it-
Come on!
Holy cow.
Look, Dylan.
What? In the universe! Okay, give it to the pumpkin. Oh! Do you have any quarters?
Hey, you want a knife?
You got the baby.
Oh.
It's just a bird.
You, I see the buttons.
Take one home and then I'll be entertained. Tell him who's boss.
I'm the boss. What?
Yay!
How about this guy up there? Here.
Not for you! Hey, Jack, Brady.
Biting him! No skin.
Leave his shoes alone! Hey, no!
Don't nut in his face, be nice.
You should take a video. She's scared.
Shirley, yeah, sit down. Mercy, your feet. Oh my God! 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 That was sheep. That was sheep.
Make it talk.
Ah! That one's wake up. That one's wake up. Ah! Get some, baby.
Oh!
Here you go.
Can we get more?
You want me to take him off, but he's enjoying your face.
Yeah.
I didn't give it to him.
That's cheesy.
You hear sheep?
Hi, baby. No, no. Oh, no.
She got her mouth open like she wants to eat it. Look at her.
Don't let him get your sandwich. Eat your sandwich, girl. Ow! They got your sandwich. Oh no. Girl, mommy make you a new one. It's okay. Mommy make you a new one. Okay? Okay. It's no problem. I'm in with him.